Really, Pittsburgh?
Issued a snow squall warning for northeastern Allegheny County.
Try and take a shower in peace, man.
Pennsylvania, northwestern Westmoreland County in southwestern Pennsylvania, south central Armstrong County in west central Pennsylvania, south central Butler County in west central Pennsylvania, southwestern Indiana County in west central Pennsylvania until 7 p.m. At 6:03 p.m., a hazardous snow squall was located near Penn Hills to Homer City, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, flash freeze on roads and rapidly falling visibility due to intense bursts of heavy snow and gusty winds. Wind gusts greater than 35 miles per hour. Source, Doppler radar and webcam. Impact, travel will become difficult and potentially dangerous within minutes. Locations impacted include Penn Hills, Latrobe, Vandergrift, Homer City, Apollo, Plum, Murraysville, Hampton Township, New Kensington, Lower Borough, Harrison Township, Oakmoss, Fox Chapel, Arnold, Tarentum, Natrona Heights, Muskegontown, Loyalhanna, Blairsville, Springdale, and Brackenridge. This includes Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 39 and 51. Wet roadways will quickly freeze. Slow down and be prepared for sudden loss of traction. Slow down. Rapid changes in visibility and road conditions are expected with this dangerous snow squall. Be alert for sudden whiteout conditions. Repeating, a snow squall warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Allegheny, Armstrong, Butler, Indiana, and Westmoreland. Weather.